Hi everyone, I hope you're all healthy and safe. Welcome to Take Charge Math. Be sure to check the reminders on the right for you to be guided accordingly. Our instructional video is divided into three parts: a quick review, an in depth discussion, and a short exercise. So I hope you're ready. I'm excited. Let's get started. For our quick review, let us recall ourselves once again on greatest common factor and division of polynomials. These are important skills to get us started as we discuss the concept of factoring. I provided problems with solutions and then answers for your reference. Remember that you may pause the video should you need more time on this part. If not, then let's proceed to our main topic. For our first example, let S factor 8x squared plus 4x. Our initial step here will be to identify the common monomial factor. We can do this by getting the greatest common factor of the numerical terms and the common variable with the smallest exponent. To solve for GCF, we look at the given, and there we have 8 and 4. Our GCF would be equal to what? That's correct, that would be equal to 4. For the common variable, we check the variable that is present on all terms, and that variable is x. Checking on it, the smallest variable is x itself. We combine the answers, and our common monomial factor is equal to 4x. The second step will be to divide the common monomial factor with the given. That would give us 8x squared plus 4x divided by 4x. We work on it by regrouping, and then we simplify like terms accordingly. Our quotient will be equal to 2x plus 1. For our last step, we combine by multiplying the common monomial factor and the quotient derived. Our final answer will be the product of 4x and 2x plus 1. Alright, we're done with the first. Let's try another one. For our second example, we are given 32x squared y to the fifth minus 48x squared y cubed. Following what we have done in the previous one, we identify first the common monomial factor. We can do this by solving the GCF and common variable. For the greatest common factor, we have 32 and 48. Therefore, our GCF will be 16. Then, for the common variable, let's check first the variable x. What do you think is the lowest exponent? That's correct. We have x squared. Now, how about the variable y? Yes, we have y cubed. Nice. You're doing good. We combine the answers, and we have the common monomial factor equal to 16x squared y cubed. For the next step, we will divide the common monomial factor with the given. That would give us 32x squared y to the fifth minus 48x squared y cubed divided by 16x squared y cubed. We work on it again by regrouping first, and then we simplify like terms accordingly. Our quotient will be equal to 2y squared minus 3. Now for our last step, we combine by multiplying the common monomial factor and the quotient derived. Our final answer will be the product of 16x squared y cubed and 2y squared minus 3. Wow! You're really doing good. I assure you that. Now, let's try our last example. For our last example, we are given 12a to the fifth b to the fifth minus 24a cubed b cubed plus 6a squared c squared. Following what we have in the last two examples, we identify the common monomial factor by solving the GCF and common variable. For the GCF, we have 12, 24, and 6. Therefore, our GCF will be what? Correct. That would be 6. Then, for the common variable, what do you think? At first, upon close inspection, you will observe that the variable a is the only variable present in all terms. Therefore, we will only work on variable a. Got it? And our smallest exponent will be what? That's correct. That would be a squared. Now we combine the answers. Our common monomial factor is equal to 6a squared. The second step will be to divide the common monomial factor with the given. That would give us 12a to the fifth b to the fifth minus 24a cubed b cubed plus 6a squared c squared divided by 6a squared. For our next step, we work on it by regrouping and then we simplify like terms accordingly. Our quotient will be equal to 2a cubed b to the fifth minus 4ab cubed plus c squared. For our last step, as what we have done, we combine by multiplying the common monomial factor and the quotient derived. Our final answer will be the product of 6a squared and 2a cubed b to the fifth minus 4ab cubed plus c squared. And we're done with our examples. Remember that you can always view again the video to give you more clarity. For now, let's evaluate your new learned skill. For our short quiz, I want you to try to answer these problems. You may pause the video for a while to give you ample time. Alright, good luck! Now let's check your answers. Did you get the same results? Wow, great job! Congratulations for a job well done. Thank you for your active participation. I hope you learned a new skill on this video. You may watch it over and over again to give you a good grasp of the competency. Also, for additional mathematics resources, you may subscribe on my channel so that I can better assist you in your journey. Again, thank you and see you soon.